Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is IKEA POÄNG. It is a rocking chair, and this rocking chair comes with a cushion which is made up of a durable fabric with wool-like feel, and it gives a warm look and an elegant effect. The rocking chair has stylish curved lines in bentwood, providing nice support for the neck. And the rocking feature adds an extra dimension to the comfort, allowing you to fully relax and enjoy the rocking. The product has 5 years of warranty and it cost around 12,990 rupees in INR and somewhere around 150 USD dollar. The rocking chair provides a smooth and pleasantly rocking motion that can have a calming effect and help you to unwind. When it comes to the dimension, the width is around 68 centimeter, the depth is 94 and the height is around 95 centimeter. The layer glued bentwood frame with a high back gives you a comfy and resilience and nice support for your neck. I hope you like this video. For more video like this, do like, comment and subscribe the video. See you next time. Thank you.